We'll guide you through how to use your phone camera in OBS as a webcam. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really useful to do as you may not have a webcam for your computer, but you want to go and use your phones. So to go and get started, we need to go and open up a web browser, which I'll do now. The app is called DroidCam. So go and type that in like so, and you can come to the site, droidcam.app. Here we are, and you can scroll down and you can go and read about how it's going to go and work. So what we can do is go and download and get the client. I'll click Windows Setup and click on Download. Open up your File Explorer, come to Downloads, and you can then go and find the application and double click it to run it. And you can then go through the setup. You need to get it on your phone as well. So open up the App Store or Play Store and you can click on Search and then go and search for DroidCam and we can go and open it up. You can come onto your computer and go and run DroidCam as well. Click on the search at the bottom and you can search for it and run it. Then you can click to add a device. Click refresh device list. If it still doesn't then appear, click it again and then again, and we can go and manually add it. So you can name it phone, for example, and then type in the IP on your phone screen. Go and press OK, and shortly it will go and be added. And there I am. And so then what we can do is come into OBS like so. We can click on the plus and you want to click on video capture device, press OK. And in device, you can select DroidCam video like so. And there it is. And then what you can do is go and size it and position it where you want it. You can remove the black bars by holding Control and then clicking, holding and dragging like so. It's that simple.